Today we show you how to download fonts for free for Adobe program like Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, and After Effects, and etc. Okay, just go to Google and put here the font like this, and put this is thefont.com, and here you have all free fonts you want, like a cartoon, like groovy. Okay, now we will choose anything. We will choose like, okay, like a cartoon. Okay, just we search a good something, and you can put here your text you want to see about a font. Okay, we will LEGUTO, our channel. Okay, LEGUTO like this, and we will choose something like cartoons. Wait 1 second. Wait, in the seven. Wait. Okay, I think like this. Okay, like this. Download, telechargement or download. Okay, start download. Open. And now we open this. Okay, just click in this is name, it's cartoon 6. Okay, just click and install it and wait few seconds. Okay, now we go to Photoshop and click in your phone, and here click here and put cartoon. Okay, six, and below here we have now a good list font for free. Just put like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.